Today I'm unboxing and reviewing the Greenworks 40V 16-inch cordless lawn mower. Let's see what you get. A couple shots of the outside of the box here for you. Do up to a 1/4 acre. It's probably about what my yard is or less. It's got a 3-year warranty. Got a few specs listed there. I got it on Amazon. I'll add a link to it right in the description, video description down below. There it is, mower, battery, charger, and the bag. And the manual too, I didn't show that. Here I'm going to speed up the footage putting the handle together. It's a little awkward to put together, but once you get it together, folding it down is very easy, and I'll demonstrate that here too in a few minutes. But I wanted to keep this footage in here just to show how awkward it can be, but I'll speed it up. Once it is assembled, it's really easy to fold. You have quick snapping handles that you just pull on to loosen it and then snap it back in to lock it in place, and I'll show you that here. There we go. I pretty much got it here. So once you get the little snap handle adjusted, you just pull on it to loosen it, push it in to lock it in place. So this is the mower. The build quality is mostly plastic. The deck is plastic, but it's very sturdy and rigid. It feels strong even though it's plastic, but it's lightweight. It has one handle on the top that you can lift, and I'll show that here. There's the height adjustment knob. It's one handle, and then the battery goes in that compartment there, and you got to give it a little whack to get it in there. You'll feel the snap, but build quality is real solid, lightweight. And this is the quick disconnect I was telling you about. You just pull on that on both sides and the handles will fold down, and I'll show a full shot of that here in a few minutes. Just pull your handles out and it all folds down nice and compact. And then locks them in place. Just that easy. Very lightweight. I'll show you the underside of it. You got the blade, and the deck is plastic like I mentioned, but it's a typical lawnmower. Just wanted to show a shot of the underside. Now I'll put the grass clipping bag in. I'll show you that. You got to pull the door up, and then there's a plug that's in there that you use when you're mulching. You got to remove that before you put the bag in, so the grass clippings can go through that opening. The bag just hooks on a couple hooks. Goes on real easy. To start it, you have to push the start button first, then pull the handle back. And then you let go of it to stop it, of course. So real easy. Very lightweight, easy to push. I was going to get self-propelled, but this one's so light, doesn't need any assist. Pushes very easy. Well, there you go, my little review of the Greenworks 40V 16-inch cordless lawn mower. Thanks for watching. If it's been a help to you, give it a like and even subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.